Wave goes first. As I said before, you guys take the mic straight away and you can reply instantly. Okay, guys. We got French champions in the house. Make some noise, this is gonna be crazy. I need you to count in 3. Beatbox. That's time.
Watch your back. Hands up. Don't watch your back.
Time! Get the mic, get the mic.
We try it.
I'm not afraid of the big bad wolf. If I want the bass, I'ma squeeze that throat. To fill in the gap, I better sing that chord. I didn't even know that I could hit that. What? I'm not afraid of the big bad wolf. If I want a bass, I'ma squeeze that throat. To fill in the gap, I better sing that chord. I didn't even know that I could hear that note. No time for eating, meaning, miny, mo. I don't wanna be waiting anymore. Gonna release, I'm in an animal. Let me sing in a fifth, I'm in a random hole. Let me waiting for a lap time to smash that. My lifestyle is a video to a hashtag. My rap is fast, my flow's like it's out last. Like if I see the focus is lost, so I have. Problem still worried about time. 7 feet, 7 deep, I'm locked up. I got so many sounds in my backpack. I better yo, what you gonna do about it?
Last time. Oh shit, oh shit. Guys, calm down, calm down. Calm down, Jesus Christ. Wow, make some noise for that crazy battle. Come on. Say woo if you freaked out with this. Perfect. Okay, judges. Judges, you're gonna decide. I think you can do this. Okay? Yeah, there is one guy who like the X, yeah? X Factor and all these things, yeah? Okay. No. Okay, in 3. All right, we go overtime. Wow. All right, guys. 2 seconds. Okay, they have to think. Let's leave them think a bit. I tell a joke? Okay. Did you ever, guys, went to a battle and 2 people just were talking about the rounds in the middle of the crowd? Me neither. In 3, 1, beatbox.
Mash up the bass, turn up the bass, so make a lot of fun. And we ablaze the fire, making fun them. We mash up the bass, turn up the bass, so make some tall fire run. And we ablaze the fire, making fun them. Can you do that? Listen. This is music.
Whoa! Wow! It really is music. Let's go, guys. You got it.
And this is SARO, my friend.
Time! Oh my God. Oh my God. Come on, round of applause for everybody. These guys are so strong. Oh la la. Okay, I gotta say, you guys know these guys weren't ready for these battles. They've been thinking in last minute because they decided I really need some love for them to put this effort in crazy battle. That was the closest battle we've seen all day. I would choose 4 of you, but the judges got the decision. So, judges, no overtime in this one, okay? I'm not gonna let, that's the Freddie Beat rule, yeah? In 3, 2, 1, 3, 4. Oh! Wow, that was crazy. Wolfgang takes it!
Not afraid of the big bad wolf. If I wanna face, I'ma squeeze that rope. To fill in the gap, I better sleep that quote. I didn't even know that I could hear that note. No time for eeny, meeny, miny, mo.